Hello friends, today I'm gonna start my new assignment in Coursera um, concerning this course, Introduction to Java and Object-Oriented Programming. So this assignment is as follows. This homework deals with the following topics. We have the array list, unit testing. The assignment. In this assignment, you will implement a class called array and array list. This class includes some interesting methods for working with arrays and array lists. For example, the array and array list class has a findMax method which finds and returns max number in a given array. For a defined array, int array 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, for example, current find max array will return 9. There are four methods that need to be implemented in the array and array list class. How many? Counts the number of occurrences of the given elements in the given array. Find max finds the max number in the given array. And max array keeps track of every occurrence of the max number in the given array. And swap zero puts all of the zeros in the given array at the end of the given array. Each method has been defined for you, but without the code. See the Java doc for each method for instruction on what the method is supposed to do and how to write the code. It should be clear enough. In some cases, we have provided hints and example method calls to help you get started. For example, we have defined the how many method for you, see below, which counts and returns the number of occurrences of a given element in a given array. For now, the method returns a zero value as a placeholder. Read the Java doc which explains what the method is supposed to do, then write your code where it say to do to implement the method. Okay. In addition, you will write unit test to test all those things. The tips for assignment that will help us. We have unit test in a method that doesn't return anything in Java. Although a method doesn't return a value, it has some side effects and can be tested. There may be a way to verify that the side effects actually occurred as expected. For example, consider a method that modifies a given array. The element in the array will be changed after the method is called. Thus, an array can be created and then the method can be called. After that, the same array can be tested for correctness. Okay. And here's an example testing the swap zero method, which puts all of the zeros in a given array at the end of the array. The method updates the array itself, so we need to call the method then test array directly. We have int array 0, 1, 0, 2. If we call the swap zero method with the array, we should have the zero at the end. Okay. So creating an empty array in Java, we created yeah, so we created using this syntax. And this is concerning the submission and the marks. So let's start. First of all, I need to go to my Java doc. Yeah, this is for the class, and then the other one is for the test. Let's start just by the first, using the first one. Okay, so the first one is creating this class. I'm gonna create it firstly. I have a package here which is, oh yeah, this is unit. Okay, anyways, it's concerning the tests, etc. I'm gonna start by creating my class in this package. New class, and I'm gonna pass it. Then finish, and I'm gonna copy the content here and just pass it here. Oh no, by conserving the package. Okay, so always I have a problem with those things. No, no, just the package I have. I have it already. I have always problems with this import. I don't know why. So I'm gonna comment it. So the first thing here I should program this method. So The method counts the number of occurrences of the given element in the given array. Examples for a defined array, int array 1, 3, 5, etc. Calling how many array 1 would return 2. Oh yeah, it calculates the number of occurrences of a number. Okay, and calling how many array 10 would return 0 because we don't have 10 here. For a defined array int array new in 0, calling how many array would return 0. Why? Because we don't have anything. The array is empty. So yeah, and here we enter the array, our array, and here we enter the element that we want to look, that we want to count the number of occurrences of it. I guess that the first thing that we should do is making of a buckle. I don't know, a loop. Yeah, yeah. We should make a loop that's gonna just read the content of this array and compare it to the element. If they are similar, we're gonna make a count that's gonna be incremented each time we find the occurrence. Okay, so the first thing is that we're gonna call our count. We're gonna define it. So it's an int count and initialize to 0. Problem because it's not used. Then I'm gonna do a loop int I my array to read the content of the array. Why we have a problem? Oh, okay, it's not used. Every time you have this problem, I don't know why. Okay, anyways, and that's where then we're gonna compare it with the element. So if I equal to element, then yeah, one is gonna be I is gonna be the first thing. If the first one is gonna be 1, then 3, then 5, so time there is a comparison. So fine, and we're gonna increment our count by 1. And at the end, of course, we're gonna return count. I guess that's enough.